Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And you know, I'm in Kenya family and me travel for food, plants, herbs, and culture family. So, you know, when we meet up on the Rasta bridge in them in Africa, you know what I mean? A light bulb go off in your head and you have to tell yourself, say, yo, a Jamaica me there. So right now I just want to bring that story at you guys. And I learned so much from the brother yesterday. And I say, yo, John, I never know them things at start. So I really want to share something with you guys and make you guys know, say, yo, you know, reggae there Kenya.
Yeah.
And we want to actually tap in and
the
come
number
in.
one in the continent.
Yeah.
I go by the name of Lavasti. Give thanks, my brethren. Love the work you're doing. Keep the fire burning, you know. And we're right now in the 254 Kenya.
Yeah.
And it's a history of reggae music as the number one. There was a survey by Coca-Cola was done. They said they wanted to know what was the number one music in Africa and which money they can exploit and find, you know, avenue to make money, right? So they found out that number one music in Africa is reggae music, and Kenya is the leading.
It's leading. Wow.
Country that play reggae music everywhere. You go in a barber shop, you go in a matatu or public transport. All these little spaces, all heap of places music play. Reggae is number one. So you find out, say, the root foundation of where it spring from, right? So Jamaicans, right, used to read in the newspaper that there's terrorists where the British Empire, them time there, you know, the colonial, and in the derogatory word they call it Mau Mau. But the real name is called the Kenya Land Freedom Army.
Yeah, man. When me hear that yesterday, I say, yo, Jano, these people them always find everything. See them do with nigga and all of these things. They find everything
to tarnish
everything and not get the real thing. Yeah, because the professional way is the Kenya Freedom Land.
Land Freedom Army.
That
was the real name. When you look into it and you check it out, them could have handled that name, so them kind of, you know, push a new little
Mau, get out. Like it's a derogatory, like say, get out. Like it's like, it's what I say, it's just, you know what I mean? Trust me. Yeah.
And we get a flag instead of a real independence. We're real, because we're independent now. We're dependent on. We don't want to talk too hard about them something there. But the real sense of the word is that, you know, the power that we possessed back then, reggae music gave us the powers. So when we got the records, we were so hungry. In those days, the Minister of Affairs was Moy, you know, they call him Moy, you know. It was hard to even speak his name, you know. So he controlled all the music. So the Kenya Broadcasting Corporation was a British radio broadcasting. The colonial time it released to the local land. Like Jamaica, see it. So you find that they had to cut with the razor blade. The record. So when the record play on the vinyl, the pin drop. And it skipped certain songs. So when you listen to the songs, people would not relate because it was really something going on. It was very hard for us to capture and understand. By the way, he's my accountant. A good businessman. He has a big force. You can check it on YouTube. What's your YouTube
Financial
channel?
Hub. Financial Hub. Wow, I want some of that, man, because right now within Kenya and finance hub. And I mean, you get the information and put it as
great man in our business. Enough people know about that.
So where you manage, like what the main service you offer?
Basically, I offer account management for traders, for people who want to invest in the financial markets.
Like Kenya stock market?
Yeah, man. Basically, advisory and investments in there. Not really Kenyan stock markets, but global stock.
Global.
Yeah, global stock markets. Yeah, man.
Investments.
So
yeah, man.
You should check his plaza. He have a plaza in Lavington.
Yeah.
My phone.
Oh, yeah, it's a ring.
Sorry. Still see it.
Yeah, man. So, you know what I mean? I'm going to drop the link and check you out and things. Yeah. Financial Hub.
So they can't stop the music, you know.
Yeah, man, they can't stop the music.
Can't stop the music. The culture is still a gone. So many herbs we have here in Kenya. So much going on. But you know, it's untapped, you know, uncharted territory. So I want my people forward home, you know.
Yeah, man.
And check it out. You know, Kenya has so much to give. Kenya and Jamaica is one.
It's one, yeah man, one.
Come
Yeah,
check
man.
it, you can't believe.
You can't believe. Yeah man. So yeah.
I think every Jamaican artist, you know, they always say
They've all been
Kenya
Kenya,
is
it's the best. Yeah.
destination, you know,
So give thanks for what you're doing, showing them the real deal.
Yeah man.
Come check me on my farm. I have a sorrel farm.
Yeah.
Hibiscus, passion fruit, corn, and
All the thing. Yeah man, you're gonna send me information, we'll drop it down so people can link you up. You can get your music, we can find your music.
You can find me on all platforms.
All platforms.
Yeah man, all platforms, man.
And what you said your name again?
Lavosti.
Lavosti.
My song to all the people is, mark my words, never ever ever give up the fight. You can make it if you try. You can make it if you try. You better mark them your words. And never give up the fight. Yo.
Yeah man, check it out.
Jamaica.
Yeah man, one love always, you know what I mean. Brother, you tell me say your Bob Marley actually landing in Kenya. I mean, never did know that.
Tell you Bob Marley landing.
And I'm actually go check it out and see a real thing.
Zimbabwe.
Yeah
you
man.
Can put the link and show them the image and the newspaper ads. Bob Marley step foot here with a suitcase full of money and give a whole heap of people money, brother. People line up. They wonder who is this hairy, nasty looking. Because we were treated like disrespect, you know.
Yeah man.
Rasta man. They used to look at me like we, you know, dread and terrible, you know, brother. Yeah, because them persecute me for good.
Yeah man, even in Jamaica too, the Rasta get a lot of fight in Jamaica, man, I tell you. Yeah man.
In Jamaica?
Same time it happened in Jamaica.
Same criticism.
Yeah man, the same thing, you know what I mean?
Hide in a tunnel or
yeah, man.
sewer hole.
But a lot of people right now respect Rasta because, you know, righteousness, we did the right thing. And a lot of people respect Rasta right now, but it's just in time, you know what I mean?
Well, we don't wait for no one to respect nothing because see, the work was done. The
work was,
you know, shed their blood, they gave their life for this work. And we have to live on after that and just, you know, have some value towards that because when I see 10 people, I see only 100 years behind you. Only 10 people.
Yeah.
That's all it is. So 10 people ain't a big number of people, but it is, you know.
Yeah, for real. Yeah, man.
You know
for
what I
real,
mean?
for
So
real.
you come from a long line of people.
Yeah, man.
You
Long
always
line.
value that.
Yeah, always value that. Long line of kings and things. You know what I mean? So,
people who
yeah,
are
man.
amongst
For
the
real,
earth,
for
you
real,
know,
for real.
salt
Yeah.
of the earth. So big up yourself. Kenya, Jamaica, Bob Marley. Joseph Hill came here, the whole stadium. Burning Spear.
Burning Spear.
When him forward, when Joseph Hill culture step foot, the whole stadium shut down, the walls fall. Everyone just walking, you know. He said, let the people come in, these people are mine.
Yeah, man. Come in.
No tickets, you know. Yeah, nobody no pay nothing because, you know, people just Don Carlos. Good God. Yo. Damien Jude, yo, from man, from Donovan Francis.
Yeah.
You know Donovan Francis?
Yeah, man, Donovan Francis.
So now we need to take Lavosti music now to Jamaica.
To Jamaica, yeah. Lavosti. Yeah, man, I want to put on some live bands.
You know, me want
people
Jamaica
can
come
come.
home, you know. We can't sell our continent for island yet.
Yeah.
So the Minister and Board of Tourism, you know, should set a good work so we can bring a symposium from Kenya.
Yeah, in Jamaica.
In Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
And just do a good work.
Yeah, man, yeah.
But that time will come. Set it up, my brother.
Yeah, man, it'll come because we actually plan a trip.
Yeah, bring the people.
Bring Kenyans to Jamaica. And Jamaicans, you know, a lot of Jamaican out there right now. So only people we are coming.
So we want him.
Yeah.
Do they have palm wine in Jamaica?
No, we don't have palm wine in Jamaica, but we have.
So we should have the first brewery in Jamaica with the coconut wine and those. You know what I mean?
Nice.
So set it right, brother.
Yeah, man, we're gonna set it right, man. We're gonna set it. So much things.
Money to be made.
So sharp.
Thing, you know?
Yeah.
Still out of the movement, you know.
Yeah, man. Keep the fire burning.
Yeah, man.
Enough jerk chicken around here.
Yeah.
First Jamaican restaurant where I enjoy it. Nice. You know what I mean? Flavorful jerk chicken.
Smoked.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's not like I've tried. So I was in Shashamane. It's the only Jamaica I know.
Yeah.
In Ethiopia.
Yeah.
Big up Shashamane, Brother Sidney Salmon,
Yeah,
Sandy
man.
Davis. You know, all the people them who work hard and come home. Some of them walk from Jamaica all the way to Ethiopian number.
Yeah, man.
Them still there, yeah.
Still there, yeah.
We should have go over this and just give them a little.
Yeah, man, we have to go over to Ethiopia, my place, man. I'm going to go over there. We're too near.
Yeah,
man.
That is the real home, you know.
Yeah,
this is Ethiopia, see it.
Yeah, man. I cut them cut it up and I tell us like.
A little slice up.
Slice up and we don't know say Africa was like no borderless.
United States of Africa. Is that where we want with?
Yeah, man, for real, man. Yeah, my brother, man. So respect and thanks. And yeah, man, post this and thing.
Yeah, man.
I don't know, see, when we put on some karaoke so you can come through and light up the place. Because Jamaicans need to know more about African reggae music. Because, you know what I mean?
Jamaican already, we have to learn from Jamaica.
Yeah.
We need Jamaicans to bring the culture home.
Yeah.
Because when they went away as Maroon, there was Jamaicans who were there before slavery.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Understand me?
Yeah.
There was black man there before slavery.
Yeah, man.
See the small number of people where them talk about where they took away. That number of people were the learned people.
Yeah.
The highest scholars, the blacksmith, the best in the farming.
Yeah.
It's not just little slavery.
Slavery, slavery talk. Yeah.
The brain drain.
Yeah, the brain
it was
drain.
the real brain drain time.
Yeah.
See them fire?
So much.
Yeah, man, and what if a good people gone, but you see them have to move that way because you see the whole world is Africa.
Yeah, the whole world, the whole world is Africa, yeah.
That's why. That's why we are it's full circle. It's still forward home again.
Yeah, man, for real.
And you look like my bridging in Kaladze Vite.
Yeah.
You look like a bridging from here. You look like a Digo.
Yeah.
You look like a Digo. My people in my yard where we live.
Yeah.
On the south coast.
Yeah.
Because they
so where you from?
Originally,
yeah.
I'm from here. My mother is Kikuyu and Tanzania is around.
Ah, okay.
My father fled from Rwanda because we all are refugees.
Yeah.
Always refugees.
Yeah, man. And something with the Kikuyu tribe and Jamaica tribe is the same because we go through the same struggle. In Jamaica, we have to fight the thing. And Jamaica.
And it's not only Kikuyu fought now, the whole war and the freedom of this country was fought by every culture. And this whole planet.
Yeah.
Every black man in the whole planet.
Yeah, man, fight. There
was people from America who wanted to fight the fight of the black man.
Yeah, man, for real.
Come out of Britain and come out of black man come out of foreign, you know. Come fight the Ethiopian war and they say I want to sign to be the military for the medical team. And I want to serve and give my life for Ethiopia.
Yeah, man. For real, man.
Man, I speak out and enough man line up from here too.
Yeah.
Yo, yes, man. See, so Africa today and forever.
Yeah, man. For real. Yeah, man. There. Give thanks, man. Yeah. Yeah, more you send me information on WhatsApp.
Everything.
So I can actually put it on a video and things.
Asante
Sana. Sana. Yeah, man. Karibo Sana.
Yeah,
man. Yeah, man. So big up. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, family. So first time in Jamaica, in Kenya, I should say. And the man I try him oxtail and him Jamaican rice and peas. Yeah, and curry goat. I man I want to lick like everything. You want to taste the curry goat. Kenya. Yeah.
You are planting? Yeah. You guys are planting, make you come on here.
Yeah, man. When you come to Jamaica, when you come to Kenya, that's how it is, family. Jamaican culture, everything there. Yeah, family. Yeah.
Alright. Let's just go and eat. We'll finish the game after.
Yeah, man. Go and eat, man. Yes.
We can dig in it. I think it's 2 chips. Big dumb. 2 chips. The goat proper.
The goat proper.
Oxtail proper. We're going to rice now. We sample everything one at a time.
One at a time, yeah.
Rice the proper one.
Yeah.
Focus it up. I'm going to tell you straight up, you know.
Yeah.
People will tell you, say, oh, scam thing, what, jump towards upon a lie. Tell you straight up. I meet that man up on Instagram.
Yeah.
3 months ago.
Yeah.
I'm there now. I'm going to call him today.
Yeah.
I link up same time.
See,
The man's a genuine man. So whatever people are talking about him,
yeah.
fuck with.
Yeah, man.
No one
For
edit
real.
that in the edited no one, but a real youths.
Yeah, man.
Anyway, I want to take to me fat crave himself and fuck up that food now.
Yeah.
Finish my whiskey.
Yeah.
Talk to you later.
All right. Yeah. Yeah, family. So yesterday we're there and with our jam rack and the Jamaican community there. Yeah, man. We have a brother. We're just coming at the place. Link up with Jam Tours and it's there.
Greetings.
There. Just like that. So we are welcoming. We're there play some domino and everything nice, family. So like, share and comment on the video. And when you come to Kenya, link up with Jam Tours and everything will be fine. We are out. One love. God bless. Jamaica. Jam Tours.